What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a real quick video. We're going to be replacing the third brake light on my truck here. It's cracked right down the middle. It still works as far as I know, I think. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a close-up of how it looks. As you can see, there's a nice crack right in the center, right there. And it's real faded. This is the original one to the truck, so it's 19 years old at this point. So let's go ahead and get that changed out. I'll show you guys what I'm using and we'll go through and do it together. All right, so for this, we're gonna need obviously the new third brake light. The drill, you could do it by hand with the ratchet, whatever works for you. And then I have a kit with a bunch of Torx bits. I'm not sure what size it is, but we're gonna go ahead and find that out and then I'll let you guys know what it is. All right, so these screws are a T27. So I have that set up on my drill here. So it looks like we got one here on each corner actually. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up top. So let's go ahead and zip those off and see if we can get this piece off without having to fight with it too much. All right, so what I'm doing right now is I'm slowly working it. There's definitely some type of adhesive or like double-sided tape under here. So I'm just slowly grabbing that lip and I'm working my way towards the other side. I tried to use my little panel tool here, but it's damaging the clear coat on the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use my hands. All right, we're loose up top. The bottom portion is held in by these white clips, and one of them broke, one of them partially broke, but all of them slid out of their little spots in the panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a panel removal tool and pop these clips out, put them back in place, and we'll keep going with the replacement of the light. Because I broke the one on the end, I'm going to put the one from the middle on the other corner. All right, now for the light, our harness is right here. We're just gonna go ahead and pry this piece away, push that out. And it looks like it's only held in by one Phillips screw, so let's go ahead and zip that out. All right, on top of that one Phillips screw, there's these little metal retainers on each end. So just make sure to take those out and just keep them for the new light. All right, there's the old light. And here is our new one. To install, we're just going to go in the reverse order. Oh yeah. We are going to put this last retainer on here. All right, light is in, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and test it out. All right, as you guys can see, the third brake light works. So that's gonna be it for this install, guys. Everything's wrapped up. And I didn't mention it, but I ran a new piece of 3M double-sided tape there. You guys saw me do that just to create that seal that was there before. So that's gonna be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.